Hello everybody, and in the distance, that little fuzzy thing there, that is an abandoned combine harvester, a New Holland combine harvester, which isn't very new anymore. And we're going in there because we can't get into the previous location, which is just down to your right, near that road. And we found this on the way past, so we're going to go over there now and have a look at it and get inside it. So bear with us as we climb this double fence. I'll show you now. This double fence here, full of barbed wire and shit. So bear with us.
It's well and truly stuck.
Yeah, it's well and truly abandoned. Trevor said on the way up, he says, no, he says, that wasn't here last time. And I says to him, I says, I guarantee that's abandoned. He says, why would you park it there, where it is, if you were using it? That's what it is. Dane's climbing up to investigate. Just be on the lookout for people, as we don't know
Pretty tiny.
who it belongs to. Or focus camera, there we
It's
go.
even got a little friggin' steel fan in there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's been there a long time, isn't it? Do you want to hold my camera and I'll climb up?
Oh man, yeah. It's just...
Remember to film. What? Oh, fuck's sake. Has it? Doors open as well. You're a cunt. I'm climbing through the window, that's why. Can't see where the handle is. There we go. Right, viewers, this is the second combine harvester that's been abandoned that I've been sat in. So we've got 3 pedals down there. We've got this thing there. We've got a fan for when it's really been warm. Gauges and the keys are in it. That's a good sign. It doesn't start for some reason. And we've got, oh look, focus. Ah, an old radio. Fitted to an aerial there. Don't know where the speakers are for that radio. Oh, there's the speaker there. High power. Not anymore, it isn't. Yeah, it looks like this has been here for quite a while. So the seat's in very good condition, mind. We've got this. Don't know what that is. The view from out the back. Just trying to be careful with lights and stuff as well. I'm going to go out the door this time, as Trevor said. There was a door. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. That's a pedal for the brake or something. Yeah, cool. There we go. Look at the belts. Big, massive belts and pulleys. That hasn't been moved in a long time, Trevor.
No.
A long time. I'm going to turn the brightness up in the light so you get more benefit. Yeah, that hasn't been used in a long time. Hell of a long time. We've got a pull there for that. That's blocked off. Tyres are on slick level. Hydraulics have been disconnected. Yeah, it's been here for quite a while. So that's one of the first times Trevor's been wrong. I don't know why that's on there. Maybe a guard or something. Yeah, but look at it. It's quite smart, isn't it? Quite cool.